Hello and rainy greetings to you from EPCOT. We are here at the EPCOT Food and Wine Festival at the Communicore Hall. We're going to try one of the only mac and cheeses that we haven't tried yet, the Impossible Beef. This is kind of part two of our adventure through the Food and Wine Festival. I'll link the first video below so you can kind of see what we've already had. And we're starting today, like I said, with the Impossible Chili Mac and Cheese. So feel free to stick around. Even though it's raining, we're gonna have a great time. It's imperative that we have that good time today. So stick around, come with us. We're gonna have a swell time here on a rainy day at EPCOT. Welcome through the gates to the magic. Let's go have some fun. So I apologize, it is vegan, not vegetarian. All vegan ingredients in the Impossible Chili Mac and Cheese. Let's get first impressions here. What do you think?
Very good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I would say out of the mac and cheeses, I feel like this one might be my favorite.
Really?
I don't know, because like the traditional was really dry when we had it.
Yeah.
So with the chili and stuff mixed in, it keeps it really moist. And then, and it's really flavorful. Where the truffle was great, except there was like 2 pieces of truffle, and that's really the only place you got.
Even a taste of truffle, yeah.
Yeah, any like additional flavor, where this is like flavor throughout. It's a contender with the, what was the other one? The Philly cheesesteak?
The Philly cheesesteak? Yeah. Okay, yay. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, let's give it a try.
Yeah, the corn chip gives it a nice crunch.
Yeah, the corn chip definitely does like give it that texture. But man, the chili tastes so good. It tastes so good. I'm impressed. It's really good. So hands down, the best mac and cheese is the it's the vegetarian or the vegan. The vegan mac and cheese is the best on the menu. I highly recommend it. I think we're going to go over here to the land and ride some soaring. So I saw this great TikTok that talked about how the windows of the land are made to be shaped like a volcano, and the red and black like concrete is said to be the different types of lava. There's cool lava in black and hot lava in red, and then the mosaics as it cuts into the volcano show all the different striations within the earth. I can't remember whose TikTok it was, but boy, it was pretty enlightening. It was pretty cool. Like it all makes sense, and it's pretty. Of course, here we are at the land. Sunshine Seasons. The Garden Grill across the way. Incredible movie called Awesome Planet. But I think we're gonna first ride Living with the Land and then go ride Soarin'. That should be the plan right now, I think.
All the forces is carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, please remain seated in your home. Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from EPCOT and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce valuable harvests now and into the future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants are well known around the world. These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. All parts of this plant, even the flower petal, are edible. The starchy root of the plant has long.
That is
One
quite a
day,
pokey
many
fellow.
of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat. Save millions of gallons, nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yield of those staples. Innovation at work here is our integrated pesticides. We're growing these crops using our nutrient film in one small area. Taste as good as they look. In fact, we serve more than 15 tons.
I just won't ride Guardians of the Galaxy yet.
That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants. Projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yielding and better quality plants than a fraction of the food can be done worldwide.
absolutely love that ride. Soarin' is one of the best rides ever. I can't wait to show you guys what we just got though from Sunshine Seasons. We got the color changing jack-o'-lantern Mickey Pumpkin Sipper. Totally worth it. It was $12.75 for the sipper. And then we also got, we got hot cocoa, which is real good. It's actually a lot better than I thought it was going to be. And Miss Gates is the one that came up with that idea. Good job, honey. That was good. It is delicious hot cocoa. There you go. Oh, it gets better as you drink it. It's so good. So as we're leaving the land, we're just going to run just next door to the Imagination Pavilion in World Celebration. We're in World. What's the new title of this land, honey? The land is in World Nature, right? World Nature. Yes, land is in World Nature. Imagination is in World Celebration. Yes. Okay, good. That has been approved by Mrs. Gates. We're gonna head over there. We've been DVC members, Disney Vacation Club members, since 2007. We bought at Animal Kingdom and then added on to our membership with Bay Lake. And that is now completely paid off, which I really enjoy having it paid off. And that's what's allowed us to show you guys like the cabins over at Fort Wilderness Resort. So we're gonna go up and look at the brand new Disney Vacation Club member lounge. This is the first one they ever opened, and it gained so much popularity that they've actually put one in the Magic Kingdom now. So where the old shooting arcade used to be. So hopefully we'll get to see that one soon, but I'll show you, they just refurbed this one here at the Imagination Pavilion. So we'll go check it out and show you as we go. Love that monorail. There she goes. So on our way, Mrs. Gates saw this red wine braised beef short rib with goat cheese, polenta, hotanessa sauce, shaved pecorino, and herbs. So that's at Earth Eats here next to the land. It is covered in grass, which is appropriate. That's kind of cool how it's covered in grass. And there it is. Let's try it. Mmm.
Where's the straw?
That is good. You can definitely taste the, I'm not tasting any goat cheese, but the polenta's there, the shaved pecorino, the herbs. The sauce is probably the most forward flavor. It's kind of like a gravy. It's pretty good, but it's very tender and falls apart.
I'm going to gently set this down.
We lost the straw.
Look at that. Are you serious?
Yeah.
What was that?
I'm a big fan of the goat cheese, so all things goat cheese I like.
Yeah.
It's not a super strong. I think it's more in that shaved pieces of cheese they put on top.
The pecorino cheese?
Yeah. That had a lot of flavor too. Yeah, very flavorful dish. I would get this again for sure.
Yeah, and the goat cheese is very subtle. I don't think it's
not overpowering.
Even though it's listed
As
the
a goat
first
cheese lover,
yeah.
I would say more.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
I'll take it.
It is what it is.
Yeah. The sauce is delicious.
Yeah, the sauce is great. Sure. Well, long story short, it was a short visit. But we tried a couple new things. We saw some new stuff. And I'll tell you what, it was a lot of fun. We had fun with this short little trip. So Please feel free to like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing here. If you don't like what I'm doing, let me know. It's a social platform. Tell me down below. Give me comments. Tell me what your favorite thing is at the Food and Wine Festival this year. I'm excited to hear all about it. So if you can, please do so. And thank you for walking through the gates to the magic. Come back and see us again soon. We're gonna have lots of fun in the future. Have a great day.